In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Typeform survey. Whether you've gathered all the feedback you need or your survey deadline has passed, knowing how to stop receiving new responses is key. Let's walk through the steps you'll need to take to smoothly and efficiently close your Typeform survey using the access and scheduling settings. First, you'll need to open up your desired form within your Typeform workspace. This is the starting point and ensures that you're making changes to the correct survey, especially if you manage multiple forms. Once you've selected your form, look towards the top right corner of the form editor. Here, you'll see a gear icon, which represents the settings. Click on this icon to proceed to the next step. Now that you've accessed the settings menu, direct your attention to finding the section labeled Access and Scheduling. This is where you'll configure the closure settings for your survey. Navigating to this section allows you to control who can access your form and when it can be accessed, which is crucial for closing the form timely and effectively. The pivotal step is to toggle on the option labeled Close Form to New Responses. Doing this will stop your form from accepting any further submissions instantly. It's a simple yet powerful feature that ensures no additional responses come through once your survey period has ended. If you're on Typeform's business plan, you have the added advantage of setting up a custom message. This message will be presented to potential respondents trying to access your form after it has been closed. It's a thoughtful touch to inform them that the survey is no longer open and perhaps thank them for their interest or direct them elsewhere if necessary. Remember to click Save to ensure all your changes are effective. This final step is crucial as it locks in your settings, guaranteeing that your form is officially closed and no additional responses can sneak through. Saving your changes is not just a formality, but a necessary action to make sure everything operates as you intended. By following these steps, you'll have successfully closed your Typeform survey, ensuring that no more responses will be collected beyond your desired point. This process helps keep your data collection controlled and prevents any unintended submissions. It's also a good practice to periodically check your settings, especially if you plan to reopen the survey later or launch new ones. Thank you for tuning in today to learn how to close your Typeform survey. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful Typeform tips and tricks.